Thinking about starting a dropshipping store? Or maybe you're already in the game but you're tired of long shipping times and unreliable suppliers. You've probably heard the name Spocket thrown around as a great alternative, but a question is probably holding you back. How much does Spocket cost per month, really? That's a smart question, because understanding the costs up front is the first step to building a profitable business. Spocket isn't free to use beyond its free trial, and their pricing structure can seem a little confusing at first glance. So, let's break it down, tier by tier, so you can figure out which plan is right for your business and your budget. First, it's important to know that Spocket operates on a tiered pricing model. This means you pay for a plan that comes with a certain set of features and product limits. The more you pay, the more products you can import to your store and the more features you unlock, like branded invoicing and access to their most exclusive products. Let's start with the entry point, the starter plan. This is the most basic paid option, perfect for beginners who are just getting their feet wet. It costs $39.99 per month. With this plan, you get to import up to 25 unique products from Spocket's huge catalog. It's a great way to test a niche or a small collection of products without a huge financial commitment. The starter plan also includes 24/7 chat and email support, as well as the ability to do some basic AliExpress dropshipping. Next up, we have the Pro plan. This is a big step up for entrepreneurs who are seeing some success and are ready to scale. The Pro plan costs $59.99 per month. With this one, your product limit jumps significantly to 250 unique products. You also get access to 25 premium products, which are typically high-quality items with better profit margins. A huge benefit of this plan is the ability to chat directly with suppliers, and perhaps my favorite feature for building a brand, branded invoicing. This lets you add your store's logo and a personal message to the packing slip, making the customer experience feel much more professional. If your business is growing fast and you need even more firepower, the Empire plan is your next stop. This plan is priced at $99.99 per month. The product limit here is massive, 10,000 unique products and 10,000 premium products. This is the plan for serious sellers with a large, diverse store, or for those who plan on expanding their product line aggressively. It includes everything from the Pro plan and opens up more advanced features. This is often the sweet spot for established stores looking for a balance between cost and scalability. Finally, for the largest and most successful dropshippers, there's the Unicorn plan. This is Spocket's top-tier offering, and it comes with a price tag of $299 per month. The name says it all. You get a whopping 25,000 unique products and 25,000 premium products. This plan is built for high-volume stores that require the highest level of support and features, including things like bulk checkout to streamline order fulfillment. It's for the entrepreneur who has mastered their niche and is ready to dominate the market. Now, here's a pro tip for saving money. Spocket offers a significant discount if you opt for annual billing instead of monthly. For example, the Pro plan, which is $59.99 per month, drops down to just $24/month if you pay for the year up front. That's a huge saving and a smart move if you're serious about your business. So, Spocket has 4 main paid plans, starting at $39.99 a month for the starter plan and going all the way up to $299 a month for the Unicorn plan. They also have a 14-day free trial on all paid plans, which is a fantastic opportunity to explore the platform and its suppliers before you spend a dime. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.